Oh, try again. That's quite a big piece of sculpture. I may have got a video of it before, but I think they've restored it because previously you could see the blue staining of the bronze, and there's no water in the pool anymore. So they've clearly been restoring it, but there is lights, and the paddles move, and other stuff, and water comes down, and there's a couple of trumpets up there as well. So maybe there are a lot of features on it that are broken down. So when they do finally start this thing up again, it's gonna be as new with any luck. Should be quite interesting to come back and see how it works. And this is Hayes Galleria, not far from London Bridge Station and the Shard. But you can see couple of sculpture explorers. I think it's called the Explorers, and they've even got a sextant. Look, I could have been a genius 100% if I remembered what a sextant was. But it's basically a ship. I'm pretty sure it's called the Explorers. And it's pretty high. It almost goes up to the top of the gallery. Definitely be interesting to see what it looks like when it's finally working, because it'd be pretty much brand new again. And of course I was in there, I just had a drink. And there's some more of the wooden kiosks here, Christmas kiosks. Artisan drinks, cologne. There's the tree again. Monkeys picking fleas out of each other. Here comes security. Again, walk past me, it's a miracle. Hayes Galleria. There's your red telephone boxes. Traditional red telephone boxes. No, they don't work. Well, that one doesn't work. Making our way out now into the pissing rain. I really would prefer if it had kept snowing, to be honest. And now that we're out here, we're right underneath the shard, and you watch the rain get on the lens immediately. Wow, the colours on that are changing pretty furiously. The shard. And so far the rain hasn't got me. Pretty steamy up the top there. Shimmery and steamy. And the rain has got me. Oh, we're back to rainy funky cam. Look at that. Funky.